Welcome back to our channel, Nature Enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the mesmerizing world of the Moab Desert in Utah, USA, where a stunning giant blue pool stands out against the backdrop. Join us as we uncover the secret behind this remarkable site in today's video on the secret behind Utah's giant blue pool, Potash Evaporation Ponds. Segment 1, Unveiling the Electric Blue Marvel. Prepare to embark on a mesmerizing expedition through the heart of the Moab Desert, a land where the very essence of nature seems to have painted its most vivid strokes. Imagine standing amidst a panoramic view that stretches far beyond the horizon, dominated by a palette of browns, reds, and ochres, colors that have been etched into the canvas of time. Yet, amid this symphony of desert tones, emerges a sight that defies conventional explanation, a colossal, electric blue pool that appears to have materialized out of thin air. This visual contradiction, an enchanting blend of desert austerity and vibrant aquatic blue, forms the centerpiece of our exploration today. Are we bearing witness to a geological marvel etched by the hands of time, or does the ingenuity of humanity play a role? Join us as we embark on a quest for answers that promise to both intrigue and astonish. Segment 2, Introducing Potash and its Origins. Our voyage into the captivating world of Utah's giant blue pool takes us back to the chronicles of history, where oceans once embraced vast stretches of the Earth's surface. These ancient oceans, teeming with life and brimming with minerals, held within them a secret of profound importance, potassium-rich deposits that would shape the course of civilization. Journey with us through the epochs, as we unfurl the narrative of these mineral-laden reservoirs. Millennia of geological metamorphosis would eventually culminate in the birth of potash, a crucial element that powers modern agriculture and industry. This tale weaves through the eons, intermingling the intricacies of nature with the aspirations of humankind. Segment 3, The Science Behind the Blue Hue. Rarely does nature present us with a spectacle as visually arresting as the electric blue potash evaporation ponds. While conventional saltwater evaporation ponds often acquire a reddish tint due to the presence of algae, the vivid azure of these potash ponds is no mere quirk of nature. Embark on a journey into the realm of color manipulation, where science and creativity converge in a symphony of innovation. Unearth the secrets of evaporation efficiency enhancement as we reveal the ingenious introduction of artificial colorants to the ponds. Watch as these colorants harness the sun's energy with remarkable efficiency, transforming the evaporation process into an artistic interplay of light and water. The result is an expanse of blue that captivates the senses and nourishes the spirit of curiosity. Segment 4, From Brine to Blue Crystals. As the curtains of mystery part ways, we unveil the intricacies of the process that transmutes humble brine into the resplendent blue crystals that grace the potash evaporation ponds. Imagine descending into the depths of the earth alongside miners, witnessing the drill bits penetrate the layers of time itself. Envision the surge of hot water, a torrent of energy, cascading into subterranean realms and dissolving dormant potassium-rich minerals. Embark on a journey that ascends from the depths, tracing the path of enriched brine as it emerges from the heart of the earth. Follow its course, marked by precision and meticulous orchestration, as it finds its way into the enchanting blue ponds. Here, nature's alchemy unfolds, gradually giving rise to the birth of vibrant blue potash crystals. Segment 5, Patience Pays Off. In a world often captivated by speed and instant gratification, the potash evaporation process stands as a testament to the virtues of patience and the rhythms of the natural world. Step into a realm where time assumes a different dimension, a dimension measured not in seconds or minutes, but in the unhurried sweep of the sun across the expansive sky. Feel the embrace of this deliberate temporality as we journey through the symphony of evaporation. Immerse yourself in the gradual vanishing of water, a process that transpires over the course of nearly a year, where each passing day contributes to the enchanting transformation. This dance of light and heat, wind and water, culminates in the creation of nature's own masterpiece. Segment 6, Intrepid Potash, a key player. At the heart of every extraordinary narrative stands an entity driven by determination and expertise. In the case of the captivating potash evaporation ponds, that entity is none other than Intrepid Potash Incorporated. Embark on a historical voyage as we trace the footsteps of this company, a journey that commences in the year 1965. Today, this industrial giant reigns as the foremost producer of potassium chloride in the United States. Brace yourself for the sheer scale of their operations, a staggering 700,000 tons of potash fertilizers extracted daily from their Moab mine. The legacy of Intrepid Potash Incorporated is one of unwavering dedication, innovation, and a profound impact on the modern industrial landscape. Segment 7, Beyond Fertilizers, Pyrotechnics and Potassium. Prepare to transcend the realm of agriculture and delve into the diverse avenues through which potassium extends its influence. While its significance in nurturing crops is widely acknowledged, the impact of potassium stretches far beyond the furrows of farmland. Journey with us into the world of pyrotechnics, an arena where the chemistry of potassium shines bright. Uncover the science behind the mesmerizing fireworks displays that grace our night skies, their vibrant hues owing their existence to the unique properties of potassium compounds. Witness the synergy between scientific understanding and artistic expression, where chemistry converges with spectacle to paint the night with colors that ignite our imagination. Segment 8, Nature's Tapestry, Ecosystem and Biodiversity. Beyond the striking blue expanse lies a delicate ecosystem that has adapted to the unique conditions of the Potash evaporation ponds. In a landscape that seems harsh and inhospitable, a variety of life forms have found a way to thrive. The interplay between the salt-rich waters and the surrounding environment gives rise to microorganisms and brine shrimp that form the cornerstone of a vibrant food chain. These organisms attract a plethora of bird species, transforming the ponds into a haven for avian enthusiasts and ornithologists alike. Witness the harmonious dance of life and learn how this seemingly unusual landscape serves as a sanctuary for diverse creatures, turning adversity into opportunity. Segment 9, Cultural Connections, Native American Heritage. The land that hosts the Potash evaporation ponds has a rich cultural history that predates modern industrial endeavors. Delve into the legacy of the Native American tribes that have called this region home for centuries. Learn how the local indigenous communities have cherished and revered the land, integrating it into their traditions, stories, and way of life. Explore the symbiotic relationship between humanity and the land, where ancestral wisdom and respect for nature meet the demands of progress. This segment invites us to acknowledge the intrinsic connection between cultural heritage and environmental stewardship. Segment 10, Geological Symphony, The Dance of Time. The Moab Desert stands as a living testament to the symphony of geological forces that have shaped our planet over eons. Dive deep into the stratigraphy of the region, where layers of sedimentary rock tell the story of shifting continents, ancient oceans, and the rise and fall of prehistoric landscapes. Connect the dots between the geological history of the area and the formation of the potash-rich deposits that play a pivotal role in the creation of the blue pools. As we unravel the geological narrative, we gain a profound appreciation for the deep-rooted processes that have led to the captivating spectacle before us. Conclusion: the unveiled enigma. As our expedition through the heart of the Moab Desert draws to a close, the landscape before us transforms into a tapestry of wonder, innovation, and the harmonious interplay between the natural and the human-made. The giant blue pool that initially baffled us, standing as an enigma against the desert's backdrop, now stands as a testament to the union of human curiosity and nature's enigmatic forces. From the strategic infusion of azure for enhanced evaporation to the methodical orchestration of water's journey to crystalline splendor, the Potash evaporation ponds encapsulate a marvel that captivates both eye and intellect. As our exploration concludes, we extend an invitation to you, fellow seekers of knowledge, to share your thoughts and reflections. Our world is a treasure trove of mysteries, waiting to be uncovered, and we stand privileged to illuminate their brilliance. Until our paths converge once again, nurture the flames of curiosity and let the spirit of exploration